Hey guys, so this week's theme in YouTube Sisters is vlog week. So I'm going to be vlogging my day. I'm not doing anything particularly interesting, but it's just going to be a little day in the life of me. It's really difficult to hold this up. I'm recording on a camcorder that I used to film on because I don't have anything else to use. What happened to my voice there? Anyway, I'm not very good at this. I haven't vlogged since like December on my second channel, so let's hope this goes well. And yeah, I put it down and I'm just going to talk like this because it's easier. Today what am I doing? What I do every day. Well, I'm baking today, and I know Imogen baked in hers. I'm not copying her. I wanted to bake today anyway, making those cookies that Tanya Bird did a video about because they looked really good and I liked the last cookie recipe. And I am playing guitar, keyboard, listening to music as always. You'll see in the vlog. I'll try and make it interesting for you. So I'm going to have a bit of instrument time. I feel really odd vlogging because this camera isn't the best quality and it just looks so odd. But yeah, I'm gonna play my guitar and my keyboard and all that stuff. I really don't like this camera for vlogging, wow. Sorry, this is a really bad angle by the way. It's difficult to find somewhere to film. Great. This wire is getting in my way. Go away, wire. Sorry for the amount of mistakes I made in that. I am now going to go on my keyboard Now in Imogen's vlog she played Read All About It, and I learnt that quite a while ago now, a few months ago, so I thought I'd play it as well. I was going to say it could be a tradition, but when are we ever going to play that in every video? No, but we can have a little competition, although I'm sure Imogen's will be much better than mine, because she's been playing much longer than me. So yeah, I'm going to try and find somewhere to put this, and we're gonna play. I've not played this in a while, so I might have a little practice first. Oh, there we go. Let's make cookies. Oh, the flower smells like the dentist. So as you saw, I finished my cookies now. Sorry I'm spinning, I should probably sit down. I had to like change the temperature and everything because the outside was cooking but the inside wasn't. So some a little bit burnt and things, but I don't know. I hope they taste nice. I've not had one yet. I will have one, I don't know when. So now I'm just going to film some videos because I have tomorrow's videos to film, which is Wednesday's, and then Sunday's video. And yeah, I'm hoping to do a collab with someone, I don't know who yet, of the Bean Boozers challenge, and if no one will do it with me, then I'll do it on my own for my channel. But yeah, I also want to film a video for my second channel, but I don't know what to film, which is always a problem with my second channel, but I'm gonna go film now. So I just finished filming. Here's a bit like behind the scenes. Oh, that's not focusing. There we go. It's actually turned off now. I filmed a video for tomorrow and Sunday, and yeah, you'll have seen Wednesdays by now if you're subscribed to my channel. I won't link it below because you can watch it if you want to. But yeah, now I'm gonna have a drink and listen to some music because I haven't done that today. Well, yeah, I have actually, but not as much as I would like to. So I had my tea and I've been in the shower and I am now just editing, which I do a lot of. Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sister is Pets Week, so I thought that I would make a video with my cat. Can you hear her?